Hello and welcome to this YouTube tutorial on how to cook delicious hamburgers at home. Today, I'll be showing you how to make juicy, flavorful burgers that are sure to impress your friends and family. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1 pound ground beef, 80% lean, 20% fat. Salt and pepper. Hamburger buns. Optional toppings: cheese, lettuce, tomato, onion, ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise. Instructions: preheat your grill or skillet to medium-high heat. While your grill or skillet is heating up, season your ground beef with salt and pepper. Be careful not to overwork the meat, as this can result in tough burgers. Divide the meat into 4 equal portions and shape each portion into a patty. Press your thumb into the center of each patty to create a small indentation. This will help the burger cook evenly and prevent it from puffing up. Once your grill or skillet is hot, place the patties on the grill or in the skillet. If using a skillet, cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. If using a grill, cook for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side, or until the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. If adding cheese to your burgers, place a slice on top of each patty during the last minute of cooking to allow it to melt. What kind of cheese do you like on your hamburger? Comment down below. Once the burgers are cooked to your liking, remove them from the grill or skillet and let them rest for a few minutes. While the burgers are resting, toast your hamburger buns on the grill or in the skillet for a few seconds on each side. Assemble your burgers by placing the patty on the bottom bun and adding any desired toppings. Finish with the top bun and enjoy. That's it, a simple yet delicious way to make homemade hamburgers. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope you enjoy your burgers.